Hi everybody, this is Patricia from Patty B Spa. So today I'd like to share the video that I did on my client that has a really um, oilish uh, type of skin. And right now it's summer here, so his skin is extremely inflamed and she has a little bit of sunburn too. So we're gonna soften her skin. We're gonna clean with the spatula. As you can see, it really goes in. Um, As for the exfoliation, I use Dermalogica. I really like this product. It's very powerful. Then we decided to do a mud mask. It was gonna be either turmeric or mud because her skin is very oilish. So we need to do something that takes the oil away. We put a hyaluronic mask on her lip and her face on top of the mud mask. All right, just to give a little glow. She needs to get it. Needs to take out the oil, but you don't want to take everything out. So you still want her skin a little bit soft and shiny. Now we'll do a little cleaning. It's also easier to remove the mask from the client, the soft mask. I add a little bit of hyaluronic serum. And then the most important thing, I use the radio frequency. What does it do? It zaps the pimples, it zaps everything, so you can actually smell the burn. And this is a good thing. It's not painful. It's amazing. It really burns the pimple. We did an icicle, like a little ice globes, the blue ones, to calm her skin. It's excellent for that because we touch it a lot. It was a little bit painful, so we did the gloves. All right. If you have any questions about this video, if you have if you want to see the products that I use, please do not hesitate to contact me. Okay. Subscribe, Patty B Spa. Thank you.